Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing another mending video. If you guys haven't already seen my first video in this series of showing you how to mend your clothes rather than donating them or throwing them out when they have rips or they're worn, my first video showed you how to repair the ripped knee holes in denim jeans, and on that video I got a lot of requests on how to repair the kind of crotch area of denim jeans, because that area also is like the most commonly worn out area of denim, and a lot of times that area doesn't fully rip. So the method that I showcased in that video is not necessarily what I would use, but it just gets worn, and if you keep wearing it and keep wearing it, eventually it will rip through. But there is a way that you can kind of reinforce the denim so that it doesn't get to that point and you can get it to last a bit longer. So this video is going to use a lot of the same materials that I used in that first video. I am going to be using some embroidery thread just because I like the thickness. It's a lot stronger and it is a lot easier to demonstrate on a video because the thread is thicker. You can see what I'm doing more easily. I'm also going to be using the embroidery hoop, a larger sized needle that I can thread the embroidery thread through. You're going to need a pair of denim jeans that have a worn out spot. It doesn't have to be worn in the crotch. If it's worn anywhere else and it hasn't fully ripped through, then just any kind of pair of denim jeans will work. And aside from those few things, that's really all you're going to need. So this is a super simple way to repair your denim jeans. So for this particular pair of pants, we are dealing in the inseam region, which is one of the most common areas of denim to wear out, along with the knees. So I've already showed you how to repair the knees on denim. So for this patch, instead of using denim, I am going to just use this denim kind of chambray fabric, because it's a little bit thinner, especially because this area is going to be directly against your skin most of the time, whereas the knees are a little bit looser. You want this to be comfortable, so I'm going to use a thinner fabric rather than a denim fabric. So we take our patch, we put it underneath, so I'm going to mend these two areas separately just because they're on either side of a pretty large seam. And I'm going to go just outside the area, right about there. And all I'm gonna do is weave in and out of the fabric. So I'm not going to put my stitches super close together. I know it's a little bit difficult to see because this thread is a very similar color. But you're almost making a basting style stitch. So that's our first row of stitching. I am then going to immediately go to the next row, right next to it, leave a little space in between, I'm gonna keep doing that back and forth until I've covered this whole area. So this is the finished product of mending the crotch in a pair of jeans. As you can see, it doesn't fully cover the holes or the wearing out denim, but it just reinforces it so that you can get a bit more wear out of a pair of jeans. The stitching and the fabric underneath is just going to add strength and keep it from getting worse, hopefully, is the goal. I also mended a little corner right here as well. I just did some stitching back and forth. There was a spot here that you could tell was about to be a hole, and it just looks like that on the underneath, and then on the inside just looks like that. So not the neatest thing, and it does look a bit messy, but the object here is not beauty or perfection, just so that we can get some more wear out of our garments. And this, while very visible looking when you wear the jeans the way that you're supposed to, you know, you really only see that little bit, and unless someone is looking directly at your butt, they will not be able to tell that your jeans were mended. So hopefully you enjoyed that small short tutorial.